Alright, so this is our carrier. It decided to take a poop today. It's 25 degrees out, and it's now 50 degrees and dropping in our house at 4:30 in the morning. And I got a little one sleeping upstairs, so I'm trying to get this thing sorted. I did check the surface heat, or whatever the frick it's called, the ignition hoo-ha here, the igniter. And I did check the flame sensor. It is clean. I cleaned it. It wasn't bad, but I cleaned it off anyway. Make sure everything's plugged in, secure. We're going to go ahead and fire it up, and blower's going to come on. Then it's going to flash code 12, and then go steady. Then the inverter motor, induction motor. Sorry, I'm very tired. The induction blower is going to come on, and then we'll light up. And we'll get a click, and we'll get no flame. Now, earlier I did all this, and I got it to fire up, and it worked for a while, about an hour and a half, 2 hours. It took us from 50 degrees to 64 degrees, and then immediately turned off. So I did order replacements for both. They should be here by the afternoon. But yeah, I'm really not sure. Filter's clean. I did blow everything out with my compressor, which likes to turn on and become a pain in the butt. But I did blow everything out. Check the vents up there. Check the tube there to make sure that wasn't blocked. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this up. And then we'll see. I did get a code. It's dirty. I did get a code 34, which leads me to believe that it's probably one of these two. I don't know. But let me go ahead and I'll turn it on. I'll let the blower cycle. It'll go through that code 12. After that steadies out, then I'll take it to that and I'll show you guys the glow and all that fun stuff. So here we go. All right, so we'll wait till that goes steady, and then we'll be back. All right, we are now at steady. Induction fan just came on, and it should take a hot minute. There's our glow, and and nothing. So now, and it'll attempt to do this a few times. Let's see if we can get that. Now, I could be totally wrong on this, but from what I understand, which is about a half of nothing, that if this doesn't give a good signal, we're not going to get gas, right? So yeah, that's still not doing anything. But if we come down here, and we got down now, and we get a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Code 34. So, from what I understand, which again is not much of much, it's most likely going to be this guy or that. I mean, it's glowing, so I don't know how bad that could be if it's glowing, unless it's just not hot enough, but what do I know? So I'm going to go ahead and replace this guy when it gets here and see if that doesn't do something. It all worked until earlier today, and then it didn't. So, I don't know. If anybody has any ideas, I'd love to hear them.